Hello friends, my name is Sejal and today I'm showing you how to make this Christmas centerpiece. So let's begin. The material I use for this is 3 styrofoam squares, golden and red ornaments and golden and red flowers and 2 apple cinnamon candles and tinsel garlands. These all things I got from Dollar Tree. First of all, I'm gluing these 3 styrofoam squares together. I'm sticking a small piece of golden ribbon to the border of the candle. Now I'm wrapping red tinsel garland around the sides. Now I'm wrapping golden tinsel garland on the top of the red one. Now took the golden flowers and cut them and did the same for red one. Now putting red and golden alternatively on the sides of the styrofoam squares. Now gluing apple and cinnamon candles on the top. And putting 1 golden flowers in the middle and gluing golden and red ornaments on the side. So this is it. We are done. Hope you like this video and have happy holidays, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Bye bye.